SGNJ 1Li 535 disc plough is pulled by a tractor and is suitable for farming sandy soil in plain and hilly areas with small slope and used with high-power tractors. The disc plough uses the concave disc as a working part during operation. The plough blade rotates and moves to plough the soil. It is especially suitable for the ploughing operation of complex farmland, such as wheat. Upright stems, large soil-specific resistance and brick and stone fragments in the soil. It is a new type of soil tillage tool. Feature, suitable for sandy soil. It is applicable to the tillage operation of complex farmland, such as wheat. Upright stems, large soil-specific resistance and brick and stone fragments in the soil.